Kidzo Kids.
Hello kids! In this video, let us learn how to make rainbow from clay. R-E-D, red. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W. Green, G-R-E-E-N. Blue, B-L-U-E. Indigo, I-N-D-I-G-O. Violet, V-I-O-L-E-T. White. So take 2 pieces of white clay to make a cloud. Take 1 piece of yellow to make sun. Take orange 1 piece to make the border for the sun. Thank you kids for learning with me. Bye bye. See you in the next video.